Welcome back to British Express. So once there was a question that I asked one of my students, and that was, which drink do you like? He started listing the name of beverages as soon as I asked him this question. He said, I like tea, I like coffee, I like buttermilk, I like mojito, I like wine, I also like orange juice. So you see, you don't have to name the beverages. They are not checking your knowledge about beverages. They are looking for more of a natural answer. It's hardly for 11 to 14 minutes of time. And there, if you end up listing the name of the beverages, how are they going to evaluate your speaking skills? Instead of answering it like this, why not to answer it in a more natural manner by saying, there are several drinks that I like. However, coffee is one of my far favorite. I like coffee because it refreshes me and it keeps me more energetic. I can have coffee any time in a day. And instead of working for 8 hours, I can work for 12 hours if you keep on offering me coffee. So you see, this is one of the most natural answers that you can give. If you want to learn more of such natural answers and more of such natural speaking skills, you can certainly join British Express. We have trained more than 10,000 students and they have chased their dreams and moved abroad. If you're really serious about your career, I would recommend you to join British Express. You can not only learn IELTS, you can prefer or you can be an expert in PTE, you can be an expert at speaking advanced and basic. You can learn several languages. Let's say people want to go to Germany, so they have to be an expert with German language. You can join German and you can learn IELTS, or you can learn to crack IELTS. Thank you.